These are all the ingredients you will need to make a delicious Indian curry. Let's get started. Let's start with the ingredients. Oil, diced onion, 2 cloves of diced garlic, 2 potatoes, diced, your meat, which could be stewing beef or pork, or you can even try chicken. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, turmeric, coriander, cumin, grounded hot chili pepper, and ginger. These are all your ingredients. Let's get started for that delicious Indian curry. First, use a medium saucepan. Turn it on to medium heat. Here's the oil. I use canola oil, or you can also use olive oil. Make sure it's covered. Then you grab your diced onion, put it in the pot. Take your 2 cloves of diced garlic and put it in the pot. It's sizzling up nicely. Next, we add the chopped meat. I used half because I'm only one person. So while the meat is heating up, I added a half a teaspoon of turmeric, a half a teaspoon of coriander, and I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of cumin and a half a teaspoon of hot chili peppers and a half a teaspoon of ginger. Stir it up. And while that's cooking, the spices will absorb into the meat and the onions and the garlic. It's sizzling up really nicely. Now I'm going to add the tablespoon of brown sugar. Start to stir. Sizzling up really nicely. I took this off the stove and let it marinate for about 10-15 minutes so all the flavors would absorb into the meat. And while I'm waiting, I'm going to start on the rice. So with the rice, I did a half a cup of rice, since I'm only one person. Put it into the other pan, a cup of water. Okay. You put it on the stove onto low heat. Now that we've marinated our meat, we put it back on the stove and it's cooking some more. And we're adding some water. And then we're going to add the potatoes. So I made a little hole in the middle of the rice that I just cooked. I did add salt to it. My battery died, so you didn't see that. But anyway, this is boiling. Just add a little salt to that. Not too much because you add salt to the rice. And the next step, which is very important, is to check the potatoes, and it's just falling apart. So they are definitely cooked. Yep, definitely cooked. And there you have it. There is your curry. I'll put it onto the plate and I'll show you the presentation. There you have it, folks. Nice, delicious Indian curry. Enjoy.